How to make wedding website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this white button, get started, wait a bit. So here it is. Now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. Here you can see already weddings topic popular here. Just choose weddings and click next. And now you need to choose what do you want to do with your website. So basically the purposes of your website. You can showcase work and expertise, sell service, publish a blog or other media. I think we need this one to publish something about our wedding. Promote an event or project. Obviously we need this one, promote a wedding. And for example, offer a contact form to get information about your visitors. Maybe just obviously you need to choose whatever you want here, and collect a donations, really nice one. Send invoices maybe. Next one, you need to choose how would you like to start building your website. So guys, you have two options how to build your website. You can build it with AI chat, or you can browse templates, choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. I'm gonna choose this one because I'm not really big fan of AI chat right here. And now you can choose the template that you think is the best for you. Straight from this one, I really like this. This is the first template that I saw, and I really like this one. But you can choose another one. Here you can manage the search of templates by choosing type, topic. I'm gonna choose this one, Quincy. Here you can change color presets. For example, this one. You can see. I really like this one. It's pretty nice. And now you need to start with this design. And by the way, guys, squarespace.com is the best option to create your website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, Java, maybe you know them. You just need to use a website to create another website, to create your own website. You don't need to have knowledge, you know. This is the best. This is why I highly recommend you squarespace.com. So next you need to create a site name right here. I'm gonna name it wedding let. This is my name, by the way. I need this symbol where it is. And let, and maybe N. Let it be N. Don't really have any N's. So continue. Here is tips how to edit this site. You can use them. So here is our website, and you can check this out. Pages, main navigation. This is the pages of your website. This is the home page. I can link it to main navigation. Obviously I need this. So bookings, about work, I can delete any of them. I can manage them by clicking this gear. I can add new page by clicking this button. Next I can change the styles. themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. And also I can manage scheduling, donation, invoicing, content and membership, products and services, whatever. Then you need to edit your website by clicking this button, edit. Now you can edit your website. You can see the site have sections. It's divided into several sections. This is header right here. This is first section, and this is footer. Very small website right here. But don't worry, you can add new section by clicking this button, add section. For example, contact, or you can add a blank section, or you can testimonials section, whatever, portfolio, products, people, contact, add in blank section. You can edit this specific section, you can edit whatever you want on this website actually. For example, this section, just click on this button, edit section, and now you can change this text right here. For example, our sweet wedding is going to be best. Write whatever you want basically, and you can scale this text up. You can change the size of this text. You can change the place of this text. You can change the color, some settings, whatever. So in general, the site has a lot of functions. You can edit almost everything here. Site logo, just let it be just this. You can add your logo. You can add any content you want. Add elements here. Add block here. Block is basically content, text, button, image, video, whatever. For example, text. Here it is. Here it is. Scale it. And also I can add image. Click this button and you can upload the file from your computer or select from your Squarespace library. My library is empty, and you can browse stock images right here. You can search them, for example, wedding. This is beautiful one. I can add. It's loading, you can see. So guys, also you need to save changes as frequently as possible. And then when you're done editing your website, you can exit. And to publish this site, to go live with this site so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account. You need to subscribe, select a plan. You can have personal one, business, basic, and advanced. Business is most popular here, you can see. Choose whatever you want here. You can see advantages here. And when you're done, you can publish this site. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys. Goodbye.